I'm John Karaoke, pursuing Bachelor in Information Technology at Pioneer University. Currently, I'm staying at Ngara. Job-wise, I do web development, backend. For fun, I like walks, playing table tennis, hanging out with friends, and staying with those I love. I would describe myself as caring, kind of materialistic, but a person who loves fun. I'm single because the generation we are living in, ladies tend to think that we should chase them, that they have a lot, but they forget they only offer one thing. So the reason I'm single is I have not yet found that girl or a lady who is bringing another thing other than the P. I want someone who, John, you have this, I have this, we add together, we add to the table. But nowadays, to find that person, it's hard, it's really hard.
It's hard.
It's very hard. It's very...
Mi naona hata before tupatie madam chance waongee. Ma'am.
Yes.
Umeangalia profile.
How old are you again?
25.
25.
How many P have you had?
Oh, seriously, are we going there? Are we really going there? Well, I think he's presentable. You know, he's very presentable. He has a job and he's still going to school. So he's making a living. Yeah, and he deserves a chance, ladies.
Yeah.
He deserves a chance. And he spoke his truth.
So ladies, the most important thing, remember, you
don't say that again. Don't say that.
Ama mchungaji, what can you say? Mchungaji wetu. What can you say about the young guy?
Ignore the P, mchungaji.
Yes. Mi naweza sema umse ako top sana. Umse I think in the next 5 years umse atakuwa ndio the real deal. So mpatie chance. Mnaona venye ametokea smart kwa screen wacha venye amevaa leo.
and then before
Babe.
Ringtone. Niko na swali moja. Do you want a woman to bring more than the P on the table for you?
Mi nasema tu maboys wa work hard. Wakati Bible inasema God alicreate Adam baada ya kumaliza akacreate Eve kuwa helper na akamtoa kwa mbavu yake. So bro, usianze kutafuta mwenye analeta hiyo nini. Wewe kuwa kila kitu, huyu akikuja itakuwa value addition, but lakini unafaa ukue everything. So mimi sioni kwamba unafaa kutafuta mwenye analeta sana. Yani, wewe kuwa hiyo.
Hii miaka yote tumejuana. Kumbe unaweza ongea. Wow, I'm impressed.
Very good.
Yeah. Yeah. So ladies, you know the drill. Shelly, you're new on the show. This is what we do. If you don't like the person, you switch it off. If you like him, you maintain. Are you ready? Thank you so much. Lights out. Stand in the spotlight, Baba. Mama, we are deciding your fate. Whether you'll have more than the P or not. All right? Ladies, you know the drill. If you like the gentleman, you maintain the lights. If you don't like the gentleman, you off the lights. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey, Jehovah, hey, slow down.
What? Okay.
Clearly, ma'am, lights back, that says a lot. That the ladies who have switched off.
I'm actually surprised.
So we got Ruth's light is still on. Kyla, of course.
Agape.
I don't trust Kyla. I have never have.
Kyla has a
will.
reputation.
No, Kyla she's always a time bomb.
She left the light on to ask